basta na size na to, parang sulit na sulit siya. Let's try it. Gusto ko yung may content sugar sprinkles sa taas. Na-appreciate ko yung hindi siya sobrang tamis, hindi siya nakakaumay. May pagka-cross-out na yung texture niya. At we have the cheesecake.
Beautiful eyes, huh? Anak, nak, nak. Sige, smile.
Coffee ice cream sweets. And what we have now is butter balls. The milk is infused with butter syrup, so...
Another toy,
The
anak.
sweetness is coming from the butter ball itself. I grew up kinakain yung
Oh, what
butter
is
na yun,
that?
so ito yung
Dog. What is that, Mom? Say dog. Dog.
Say
dog, anak.
Siya parang isang
But it's a
bread
toy.
ka na, so umay ka na kasi nakakaumay din yung drink mo. Parang dito, I'm still ready to take on this cheesecake. Milk.
Look up, Gabriel. Look up, Gabriel. Gabriel, look up. Sun. My son.
Ice.
Oh, you look up. No. You want to talk with that dog? It's a toy. It cannot speak.
Tapos ito yung natin.
Like this, oh. You do
Sa
this.
kanya. But I'm sure as soon as nagma pa lahat, it's gonna become a regular coffee with a hint of syrup. I've been to many coffee shops, but I always appreciate yung coffee shop na locally made, locally owned as well, very original, has its own theme. My favorite dito kasi I think what we chose here,
Are you hungry?
very good choice. And again, it's such a nice place, ambiance. It looks like feels like home.
Basta naman ka, baby boy.
So, ang ganda siyang tambay spot for yourself or your family. Again, mga kapatid, buddies, this is Benjamin Alvarez and Coconut Cafe, the best.
Sige, you stop that. Let's see.
Ayan, para sa inyo. Congrats.